algebraic expression. If x square minus a root 2x plus 1 equals to 0, here is some option. We have to find out these are correct or not. First, here is given x square minus a root 2x plus 1 equals to 0. First one, x plus 1 by x equals to root 2. Now if we simplify this one, we can write like x square and here is plus 1 equals to this minus root 2x. We can write root 2x because both sides we are adding root 2x. Okay, we can write adding root 2x. Okay, now we can take common x from here because we have to out root x and this x no need. Therefore we can take common x square. Once we take common x, it will be x, and from 1 it's not possible to take common x, so it will be 1 by x, right? And here is root 2x. Now we will divide both sides by x. Now x plus 1 by x equals to root 2. We can write dividing by x. Okay, so now look, here is x plus 1 by x equals to root 2. It's correct. Okay, so 1x plus 1 by x equals to root 2, correct. So what about this one, x square plus 1 by x square equals to 0. Now here x plus 1 by x equals to root 2, correct. Now we can square both sides. It means x plus 1 by x whole square equals to root 2 square. We can write squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So it's a very simple thing. A plus b whole square, it means x square plus 2x times 1 by x plus 1 by x square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to root 2 square, it means 2. Okay, then this x and this x out, so here is x square plus 1 by x square equals to what? This plus 2 will go right side. It means we are subtracting 2 both sides. It means 2 minus 2. We can write subtract both side by 2. Now look, here x square plus 1 by x square equals to 2 minus 2, it will be 0. So number 2, this one also correct. So what about x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to minus root 2. Be careful, this is minus root 2. So this is number 3. X cube plus 1 by x cube equals to minus root 2. Now look, here we can write like left hand side, which is x cube plus 1 by x cube. So as per law of cube, we know a cube plus b cube, it means a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b, right? So similar, this one we can write x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3x 1 by x times x plus 1 by x. In first question, x plus 1 by x equals to root 2, right? So we can write root 2 in here, root 2, because here is x plus 1 by x and here is cube. This x and x divide, so it will be only 3 times x plus 1 by x, it will be root 2. Now look, what is the value of cubic root 2? It means root 2 cube, it means root 2 times root 2 times root 2. So these root 2 and root 2 once we multiply, it will be 2, and here is root 2. So this one we can write 2 root 2, and here is minus 3 root 2. Look, 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2, it will be minus only root 2. And number 3 also, here is x cube plus 1 by x cube will be minus root 2. So this is correct. It means number 1, 2 and 3 all correct, which is number D. Number D mentioned here is written, here is writing which of the following is correct. Number D is correct because here is mentioned 1, 2, 3 are correct. So this is our question. It's a very important question for any kinds of competitive examination like IGCSE, SET, grade 9 to 10 and also SSC. So don't neglect these kinds of math. Okay, so thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel, which is SatX, and if you want you can also subscribe my another channel, which is MathGym. Thank you.